Hey everyone, a few days ago, a new image editing model was released called Nano Banana. This is the best image editor I have seen. Lots of people says that Google behind it. You can do any type of editing with this tool. Here are some outputs where you can't even tell that difference between the original and the edited image. So let's get started. Type Marina AI and press the enter. Here you can see three options: paddle, side by side, and direct chat. This tutorial is only about the paddle option. There you go. Select the image option and click on the plus sign and upload the image. Then give the prompt, change her dress color to red. It's generating. Wait a moment. And it's done. You can see the result. In the left image, it's changed the full dress color, while in the right image, it only changed the jacket color. I think the left one is what I want, but the right one is looks better. Compared with the real image, you can hardly tell the difference between the real one and the edited one. Now let's move to the next image. Give an incomplete prompt such as change the camera angle and press the enter. You can see the results of an incomplete prompt. It will ask you which side you want to change the camera angle, to left or to right. So you should always give a clear, perfect prompt to get the best results. Now I'm going to test another image with a prompt. She is looking up. The prompt may be short, but it should be clear. Press the enter, wait for a while, and it's done. Both images are good, but I think the left one is much better than the right one. Let's move to the next image. I'll change her pose to standing straight, also change her expression to thoughtful. Again, I think the left one is better. Here I notice one important thing: how smoothly it makes changes without altering the character itself. Now let's make another change in this image. Change her hairstyle to a ponytail. As always, I prefer the left one. Let me know in the comments which one you like the most. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.